What's going on YouTube? We are back with another LS430 video today. Previously in the last video we did the rear bumper, the bumper molding trim, and it looks great. That piece or that part we used the OEM Lexus part, but for the front I got one off Rock Auto. So we're gonna see, compare and contrast the differences. Hopefully they are similar in quality, but let's go ahead and get this installed. So as you can see, we have the front bumper trim. It's seen better days. To be expected from a 21-year-old car at this point. It's starting to chip and peel away, but we're just gonna get access to this bumper molding. Just gonna take off the license plate bracket, and then we'll have the space to remove the molding. And then these are just 10 millimeter screws. I'm gonna keep that in, I don't care. It's funny. Whoa!
She's dirty.
Look at that dirt.
Woo! Clean that off too.
Gotta clean that off, yeah. There you go. Got it right there. So I'm just trying to see, it's like tucked. It's kind of tucked in there a little bit. But there, that's all it is. It's just
nice.
It just sits in there and then
pull it away.
Just pull it away. Hopefully it takes a lot of that residue with it. Here we go.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Don't eat it. Yeah, guys. So now that the trim is removed, we have all this leftover 21-year-old adhesive, bits of that just all throughout the molding line. So we'll just take a little bit of Goo Gone adhesive remover, and then I don't know, various assortment of plastic tools to try to scrape it off and get it as clean as possible for the new one. That's it.
You might want it.
Yeah, but that's okay. I'll let you go. I'll get as much as I can. All right, guys. So we have the molding line pretty clean from all the leftover adhesive. Some of the paint chipped off, but that's okay. It's gonna be covered up anyways. And a pretty good tool that we used was actually this. This is like a clay tool, and it's plastic, so it's not really gonna hurt anything and fits in there pretty well. So find yourself one of these kind of flat blade style tools and you'll be good to go.
Push it in all the way so you can't.
Push it in all the way.
And then you can start pressing.
And then start pressing. Very nice.
Just gonna press hard as I go.
And it should stick pretty well because the surface is fairly clean. And you'll just do that along the whole bumper. I'll show you guys the final product. All right, guys, look at the final product. That looks great. And it looks just as good as the OEM Lexus part for essentially half the price. I'll put in the description the link for this part on Rock Auto if you want to use this for your front bumper. I believe they sell the rear bumper trim as well. Voice crack. Are we live?
Yes.
All right, guys, so here's the final product. She's looking amazing with the new trim on there. Really happy with the results on this. Stay tuned for our next video. We're going to tackle the timing belts on this car. I think we can do it. I think we can do it, guys. We just have to order the crank holder tool so we can torque down the crank bolt, and then I got to get like a impact gun so I could zap that out. Those are two tools that I do not currently have, so we'll pick those up and then we can get started on the video. I already have the time belt kit waiting to go, so yeah, we're gonna do that and hopefully get a good job done. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will catch you in the next video.